Okay. And here is your simplified tiramisu on a plate and banana coffee cream drink. Let's try it. Parang may explosion sa loob ng umaga, no? Hello and welcome to Goma At Home. It's a beautiful and sunny day, no? Tapos, siyempre, Christmas season. And usually, pag Christmas season, ina-associate natin niya sa masarap na pagkain, masarap na mga desserts. But sometimes, the thing with desserts, ang haba, ang tagal i-prepare. So what I'm going to show you today is simplified tiramisu. Okay? Tiramisu is an Italian dessert, pero marami ng variations na ginawa through the years, no? So this is what we're going to make. Kailangan natin ng broas or ladyfingers. Ito, meron ako nakuha sa grocery. And then, yung cheese, usually they use mascarpone cheese, no? So kung wala kayong mascarpone cheese, you can use other cheeses. Regular cheese or in my case, meron tayong cream cheese pero lalagyan natin ng cream. And then, yun ay ilalagay natin sa ating simplified na tiramisu. And then, pagtas ng gagawa tayo ng coffee crema. No? So, iteturn natin yung tiramisu natin with coffee cream. Okay. So, first, kuha tayong spatula. And then, let's get our cream cheese ready. Yun. So, may cream cheese tayo. Salamat kay Juliana at laging maraming mga naiiwan sa mga ano dito. Mga cream cheese kasi Juliana mahilig mahilig mag-bake. So, yung mga iniiwan niya ng mga ingredients na mga tira-tira, ayun ang nakikita ko, hinahanap ko at yan ang ginagamit natin dito sa Goma At Home. Tapos pag uwi niya, hahanapin niya minsan, sabi niya, I have cream cheese. Sabi ko, ginamit ko na day. So, itong cream cheese, bulk talaga, lalaki. Let's try it. Harap. Oh, itong cream cheese na to, ilagay niyo sa ano, pato nyo lang sa crackers na gano'n. Tapos putol ka ng konting chives, no? Kaya yung green onions, ilagay mo na sa ibabaw na gano'n. Yun na yun. Ang gagawin natin yung cream natin for that tiramisu. I remember nabasa ko yung tiramisu. But does tiramisu mean? Parang it means sa Italian, no? Parang pick me up, pick me up, pick me up. O kaya cheer me up, parang gano'n. Yan, tiramisu. Ganda. Siyempre, gusto mo medyo matamis-tamis ng konti. Pero, ito, alam mo, isa sa mga favorites talaga, cream, yun. Let me try this. Sarap. Love it. Love it. Okay? So, we'll get some sugar. Lagyan ng konting sugar lang para medyo matamis ng konti. May tayong powdered sugar dito. With that amount, lagyan natin ng mga 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar just to make it a little sweet. And then, yung iba pwede mo lagyan ng liquor, pwede mo lagyan ng brandy or cognac. Pwede mo rin lagyan ng konting bean paste. Konting vanilla bean paste. Yeah, that's about a tablespoon and a half. Yan. Okay? And then after that, you have all your ingredients here. I-whip na natin siya. Slow whipping lang. Yan. Okay? Slow whipping yan. Nagaling ko lang yung mga nakadikit dun sa spatula ko. Yan. Yan lang. Remember, this cream and cream cheese. So, ang gusto mo lang is to really blend it well na mag-incorporate lang lahat ng ingredients tapos pumasok yung yung hangin, no? Para medyo foamy siya, medyo light siya. But do not overmix it kasi mag-churn siya, baka maging butter siya. So now let's mixed well. Tapos na yan, ganyan lang. And then bring it up. See that? Ganun lang siya kadali. Okay. Tanggalin ko lang to. Yung whisk natin. Good. Tanggalin natin siya. Then lagyan natin siya dito siya. Lagyan natin yan. So that is our topping for the tiramisu. Kasi ganun lang kasimple, oh. Let me try this. Yung nagtira dito, tikman natin. Kung masarap na ba talaga to. Sarap! Good! Really good! So we have our cream for topping. Ipe-prepare natin next yung coffee natin. Kasi itong Ladyfingers, sa tiramisu kailangan meron sa coffee, espresso. Dinidip mo yung Ladyfingers dun sa espresso. Okay, so we'll make espresso. We'll make 2 shots of espresso. Yes. And 1 more. And there you go. Gawin na natin 3 shots of espresso. Okay? Kasi gagawa rin tayo ng marami. Gagawa tayo maraming espresso. Very good. Okay. Good. So 3 shots of espresso. Ilalagay natin siya dito. Okay, so what we'll do first, yung coffee natin, ilalagay natin dito. Yun. Tapos dito natin ibababad ng konti yung Ladyfingers natin. But before we do that, para hindi tayo magkagulo-gulo, prepare ko na yung plate natin. Okay, there you go. And then, i-dip natin ito, Ladyfingers, dyan. And then let it absorb the coffee. Yun, nilagay mo siya dun. Yun. Yan. One side lang kasi ma-absorb na yan. Kasi pag inikot mo siya na ganun, madudurog eh. So let it absorb the espresso coffee. Yan, sarap oh. Yan. But don't take too long kasi at one point, pag sumobra na, madudurog na yan. Okay? Very good. Yan, absorb na niya yung espresso coffee natin. Nice. Okay? So, when you're done, yun. Tabi mo lang siya dyan. And then, punta tayo dun sa ating cream. Yung pinipare natin kanina. Here's our cream. Right. Yun. And then, ibabagsak mo na siya sa ibabaw. Yan lang, oh. Yan, oh. Yan. Just like that. Just like that. And then, Coco Powder. Shake mo na siya ng Coco Powder gano'n. And that's your tiramisu. Yun. Simpleng-simple, di ba? And then, kailangan gagawa rin tayo ng, sinabi ko kanina, gawa tayo ng coffee cream para kasabay nito. So with this, gawa tayo ng espresso coffee ulit. I'll make 2 shots of espresso na isi-serve natin sa baso natin ganito. Yan. One more. Okay, there you go. So with this, lagyan natin yung espresso coffee natin dito. And then, lagyan natin ng all-purpose cream. I-whip lang natin siya. Yan. Yan, medyo high speed siya ng konti. Bring in air dun sa natin, pinaka-drink natin, no? So, coffee cream to. Ito talaga literally coffee cream. Pag medyo nag-thicken up na siya, pwede natin isalin natin sa glass natin. Okay? So, while doing that, check the consistency. Turn it off first. Check mo yung consistency kung kung malapot na ba siya. Yan, oh. Kapag hinibam, what you do is just putting more work. Okay? Sige. There you go. Ganun lang kasimple. So, minix natin siya ng konti. And then, kunin na natin siya. Pull this out. Okay. Tapos, bakit ko kailangan ng food processor? Kasi, gagawin natin ito ng banana. Yaw! Banana is here. I'll put in banana para may flavor yung drink natin. Kasarap nito. Okay. 1, 2. Put in 3 bananas. Nice. 3. Okay. Take this out. And then yung coffee cream natin, ilalagyan natin dito. And we will blend this. Nice. Take this out. Lagyan natin siya ng konting sugar. With this, we'll put in, para medyo may konting tamis yan, 2.5 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And then, we'll blend it as simple as this. Yun lang. Let me try it first before I serve it. Uy! Sarap! Sarap! Good! Okay. Take this out. Serve natin to. Okay. At dyan. Dyan. Good. Lagyan na sa glass natin. Just like that. Yun. Okay. Sabi natin to. Okay. Then just clean up your glass before you serve it para maganda siyang tignan. So just like that. Okay. Good. And a touch of cocoa. Yeah. There. Alright. Okay. And here's your simplified tiramisu on a plate and banana coffee cream drink. Siyempre, this is always the best part, no? When you prepare something, lalo pag dessert, is to try it out. So, yung tiramisu natin, nice, oh, nice and soft. Let's try it. Sarap. Sarap. Lasang-lasa mo yung when the ladyfinger, dinip natin sa espresso, when it touches your tongue, oh, para siya may explosion sa loob ng umaga, no? Mix yung cream, tapos yung espresso, plus the ladyfinger. Ganun yata yung pagkain pag masarap, yung talagang dinadahan-dahan mo yung parang slow motion, no? Slow motion, no? And then, you get your banana coffee cream. Wow! Ito, wow talaga. Kalami! Really good stuff ng banana sa coffee. Oh. Tapos may, yung cream talaga. Sarap. Bagay na bagay sa season natin this Christmas. Okay? So thank you so much for joining me right here in Goma At Home. Please like, share, subscribe, and press the notification bell para alam nyo kapag meron tayong bagong video na palabas. So please, enjoy this. Do this in your own kitchen. Share it with your friends and enjoy it with your family. I'm Richard Gomez. Thank you so much for joining me right here in Goma At Home. I'll see you again next time. Bye.